Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a smartphone that's making waves in the budget-friendly category. It's the Nothing Phone 2a, and there's a lot to unpack here. Stick around as we explore its design, display, cameras, performance, and more. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews. Let's kick things off with the design of the Nothing Phone 2a. What strikes you first is its premium look, a feat rarely seen in this price range. The phone features a translucent casing that lets you peek inside, showcasing neat details like wrapped coils and micro-sized screws. It's sleek and stylish, though a bit slippery, so handle with care if you prefer to go case-free. Moving on to the display, the Nothing Phone 2a impresses with a vibrant 6.7-inch AMOLED screen. It boasts up to 990 nits of brightness and supports an adaptive refresh rate from 30 to 120 Hz. Whether you're watching HDR videos or gaming, the colors pop with deep blacks and wide viewing angles, making it a joy for multimedia consumption. Now, let's talk cameras. Equipped with a dual 50 megapixels main and ultrawide setup, the Nothing Phone 2a captures detailed shots with good dynamic range. It even offers an expert mode for manual controls and raw shooting, catering to photography enthusiasts. In low light, however, it struggles a bit compared to pricier competitors like the Pixel 7a. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 2a runs on a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chip. It handles everyday tasks smoothly, but don't expect it to excel in intensive gaming sessions. Benchmarks show decent performance scores, though it falls short in gaming frame rates compared to higher-end models. One standout feature is its battery life. With a generous 5000 mAh battery, the Nothing Phone 2a lasts up to 15 hours on a single charge in our tests, even with the high refresh rate enabled. Charging is speedy too, taking around 59 minutes for a full charge with a compatible charger. Wrapping it up, the Nothing Phone 2a packs a punch for its price point. From its premium design and vibrant display to its impressive battery life, it's clear that Nothing has aimed to redefine what budget phones can offer. However, it's not without its shortcomings, particularly in gaming performance and low-light photography. That's all for today's review of the Nothing Phone 2a. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about this budget contender? As always, stay tuned for more in-depth reviews on Product Critique. Until next time, take care and happy exploring.